The next step, which is the number 4, is pay off debt. Debt is an amount of money borrowed by one party from another. A debt arrangement gives the borrowing party permission to borrow money under the condition that it is to be paid back at a later date, usually with interest. The question comes, have you ever thought of why you are in debt? Have you ever synchronized the reasons behind your debt problems? We know that debt can lead us to disastrous consequences in our lives. It can consume our assets, bringing on mental stress and even hurt our relationships. There are multiple factors that compel people into debt, such as reduced income, divorce, poor money management, underemployment, gambling, medical expenses, little saving, and many others. This is because many are not aware of the causes behind it. Although there are effective debt elimination programs like debt consolidations and debt settlement, we must be aware of the causes that lead to great financial errors so we can avoid being consumed by debt. Having said that, before you start repaying debt, take a moment to identify the kind of debt you have, whether it is credit card debt, student loan debt, mortgage debt, or something else, and determine how much debt you have. Understanding the type and amount of your loans can help you come with a personalized plan for debt payoff. So to help you with your decision, here are some easy ways to pay off debt. Number 1 is creating a budget, which we have already talked about. The second one is paying off the most expensive debt first. The third, pay more than the minimum balance. Number 4 is take advantage of balance transfers. Number 5, halt your credit card spending. Number 6, put work bonuses towards debt. Number 7, sell unwanted gifts and household items. Number 8, change your habits, and more. I believe that this section requires a bit of explanation, so I will be making a video just dedicated for this section. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Number 5 is investing. An investment is an asset or item acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. Appreciation refers to an increase in the value of an asset over time. When an individual purchases a good as an investment, the intent is not to consume the good, but rather to use it in the future to create wealth. And investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. If you are serious about building wealth, then you are going to need to put your money to work for you. This is where investing comes in. However, before you put any of your hard-earned money into investments, it is important to have well-defined objectives. Think about what the investment is for you, when you will need your money, and what your risk tolerance is. Investing is a long-term activity, so you have to commit to it if you really want to see your money grow. You also want to make sure you have a basic understanding at the minimum of any investment you put your money into. For example, like stock market, real estate, or small businesses. Your plan to invest should be included as a part of your monthly budget, where you allocate a certain percentage of your income towards your investment goals. The sixth step towards building your financial plan is saving for retirement. Even if you have decades to go until retirement, the time to get started saving was yesterday. The longer you wait to get serious about this big honking goal, the more you will need to contribute to land in retirement in good shape. There is no one rule for how much you will want to save for retirement, but a solid guideline is to have a multiple of salary set aside of different ages. It is believed that having retirement account balances equal to 2 times your salary by the age of 35 sets you up for a success. When you are 50, the aim is to have 6 times your salary in retirement account. And by your late 60s, having 10 times your salary saved up is recommended. The last step in developing a good financial plan is keeping track of your financial plan. Tracking your money is the process of monitoring and keeping a record of your income and expenses. It enables you to identify bad spending habits and make adjustments to improve your finances. Many people track their money using a spreadsheet or budgeting app, while others prefer to use a handwritten expense tracker. Either way, the point is you have to be on top of your game. Thank you guys for watching. So as always, until we meet again, see ya!